we're just about ready. We'll go first, okay? Thank you. Then traffic Cherokee entering runway 27, departing west. Then the traffic. He did it really good.
East, west, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Traffic Cherokee position, hold on runway 27 for straight out departure.
Airships alive. Gauges are in the green. Rotate.
Nine 5783, climb to 6000.
I'm 6000, November 95783.
Road Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee calling standby.
Okay. You heard me before.
36 Mike Victor, fly heading 060, descend to maintain 2000.
060 down is 2000, 6 Mike. Departure Brickyard 3474, 1000, climb 2500.
Brickyard 3474, ready contact, climb to 5000.
5000, Brickyard 3474.
Yeah, 619, heading 2.
Yeah, I think he's going to ignore me.
E59, departure 12085.
2085, yeah,
Brickyard 3474, direct elevating.
How you doing?
To 6000.
6000, direct
okay?
elevate Brickyard 3474.
136 Mike Victor, heading 120.
126 Mike Victor.
9280 Hotel, contact approach 120.8.
20.880 Hotel, thanks so much for your help.
At 619, climb to 1000.
1000, yeah, 619.
33 Mike X-ray, fly heading 040.
040, 3 Mike X-ray. Near departure, JetBlue 573, 800, climbing 2500 on the New River Bar.
Blue 573, ready contact, climb maintain 5000.
2085, get a break at 3474.
Berg 4418, descend to 5000.
5000, Berg 4418.
3 Whiskey Charlie, descend to 4000.
4000, Whiskey Charlie.
Blue 573, climb to 1111,000.
Up to 1111,000, JetBlue 573.
3 Mike X-ray, this airwork is right at Teterboro?
Yes.
That's about 1 mile south of the airport.
No, I saw the warning here. Told me that it was coming.
Alright, Roger, just stay on this
This
heading
was
for now.
close,
Newark departures, once we get you clear there, we'll get you on course and over the tower.
This was too
We're
close.
looking at departure, 750 Mike X-ray.
Similar height, huh?
Yeah, same height. Was
6 on heavy, ready contact, climb maintain
600, I think, feet.
11,000 FedEx 869.
No, 2000, same height. Now what, let me go to 1900. Yeah, he was same height.
You didn't see him before?
No, just now. 11 o'clock, so I was looking.
When I see the
Carrying left base, 55, Sky Manor.
when I see the trees changing colors like
Yeah, it's beautiful, huh?
yellow and orange and red, reminds me of Lake Placid and Berny.
Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee 85 Delta.
Every time we would go over there, it was so spectacular.
Yeah.
45 to left, down 125.
Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee at 1,800, about 5 miles east of field inbound. Sky Manor traffic.
Coastal traffic, Foxtrot departing, runway 5. Coastal. Sky Manor traffic, green and white Archer is clear of the active Cessna. Thanks for extending that down one for me, I appreciate it.
Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee 570, turning left base, runway 25.
Can you reserve a seat, a table?
It's okay, we have time, it's nice.
Sky Manor going around.
I know.
Definitely going around.
Somebody's going around. ground. It's really busy there.
After we clear the Sky Manor. Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee 85 Delta 3.5 to the southwest, setting up for a 45 left downwind 25.
Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee 45 to left downwind runway 25. Sky Manor traffic.
Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee 85 Delta Warrington 45 for the left downwind 25. Got the Cherokee entering in sight. Sky Manor.
Oh, there's somebody behind me. Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee left downwind runway 25. Sky Manor traffic.
Sky Manor, you got to see us. We're about 5 miles to the west. Going to be entering on a 45 to the downwind for 25. Sky Manor. Sky Manor traffic, green white Archer is going to roll on 24.
Dumps. Gas, undercarriage, mixture.
Sky Manor
Props.
traffic, here's
Fill up.
we're about 2 miles to the southwest. Going to be entering on the 45 downwind 25. Sky Manor.
Oh, there's a airplane there. Yeah, taking him off.
Turning left.
Right.
55, Sky Manor.
Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee turning final, runway 25. Sky Manor traffic.
Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee 85 Delta, turn west, base 25, Sky Manor. Sky Manor, Sears is now downwind 25, Sky Manor. Sky Manor traffic, green and white Archer is going to make a right crosswind turn out and depart to the north, Sky Manor. Sky Manor, Skyhawk turning left, downwind 55, Sky Manor, got the Sears in sight.
A little bit high.
Sky Manor, Sears is now downwind 25, Sky Manor.
Good.
Sky Manor traffic, 85 Delta, Cherokee 85 Delta, turn final 25.
Cleveland, you look marvelous, darling, and you know who you are.
Okay, we just saw a helicopter here landing. And it so happened that I noticed the Israeli flag. And this is the pilot. So, can you tell us our name? Good morning. Your name and what do you do and how come you decided to come here? And so,
Gilad,
speak up a little bit.
Gilad Godfrey, and I like this airport. Sorry?
This instrument's yours? You have to find another place to park. This is tail wheel only airplanes.
Mind if I started?
There's a circle over there for helicopters.
There was an airplane over there.
Well, try and then park someplace else or go someplace else. We know you, we have the history. We know you were taxiing over here when there's a NOTAM, we know that. I remember.
Okay.
So we have to move it.
What's the problem?
The problem is that this is certified tail
Is it
wheel.
on the NOTAM? Is it in the sun?
Doesn't matter if it's a NOTAM or not. Public policy.
What is that upset? Like, why are you... Beautiful day.
It's the second time.
It's not second time. What's your name?
My name is Rosy. I'm one of the owners of the airport. That's why we have to...
But you can
Take a look at the sign over there.
Anyway, while they're arguing about who's right, who's wrong. Anyway, look at this beautiful helicopter. Beautiful. Anyway, Councilor de Bella, you want to speak a little bit about yourself and no? Don't be upset. It's
I'm not, but it's I just need to relax.
okay. So you want to do it later, maybe when you relax a little bit?
Maybe.
Okay. Gilad, is it Gilad?
Yeah, that's
Binyamin. Binyamin.
Binyamin.
Binyamin.
Okay.
Ben, Aviator Ben.
Cool.
אוקיי, תירגע ואחר כך כבר נדבר. בסדר, אוקיי, טוב.
Cherokee 22336.
22336, stand by.
You did tell me,
6 heavy, turn to the left.
you did tell me before to stand by.
Offsetting 183, 9667.
Endeavor 4637, heading 090.
090, Endeavor 4667.
And at 660, turn right, heading 110.
Traffic Cherokee 8 miles west of field inbound at 1,400. We'll take the runway 27. Then the traffic.
Traffic westbound is base final 27 minutes. Yeah, down.
Steve, we have quite a few airplanes there.
Left downwind 27 Linden.
Clear sound traffic, RVZ 10 south, sending up for a 45 entry to left downwind.
There are 1, 2, 3 airplanes hovering around the airport.
Robbinsville traffic, White Cessna, 3 mile final, runway 29, Robbinsville.
Linden traffic, Skyhawk turning final, number 2, runway 27 Linden.
You hear them?
Is left downwind.
Linden traffic, Linden traffic.
Linden traffic. Mama traffic, Lancer's going to enter left downwind for runway 32, Mama.
Linden traffic, Cherokee 45 left downwind, runway 27, Linden traffic.
32, Mama.
Linden traffic, Cherokee turning left base, runway 27, Linden traffic.
Mama traffic 152, turning final, runway 32, Mama.
Good. Thank you.
Yeah, that was it. Linden traffic says they're taking off runway 27.
Hang on, I'm still on the runway, Linden traffic. God damn it, it's taking off. What a dumbass. Linden traffic, Cherokee clear of runway 27, Linden traffic. Taking off.
Linden traffic, Sky turning base 27.
There, he's taking off, schmuck. This guy.
Traffic, Cherokee taking runway 27.